Action. I'll start the testimony. Hello, my name is Bruce.
Hello, Bruce.
It has been 3 weeks since I ate my last fish in my honor, or may I be chopped up and made into soup.
You're inspiration to all of us.
Amen. All right, who's next? Ooh, pick me, pick me. All right, then Lucille in the front. Woo-hoo. Hi, I'm Dory. Hello, Dory.
Hello, Dory.
And, well, I don't think I've ever eaten a fish before.
Hey, that's incredible.
Good on you, mate. Whew, I'm glad I got that off my chest. All right, who's next? What about you, mate? What's your problem?
I don't have a problem.
Denial.
All right, well, why don't you start off with your name?
Well, my name is Marlon, and I'm a cowfish.
A cowfish? Really?
Go on, tell us a joke.
Oh, I love jokes.
Well, actually, I know this pretty good one. There was this mollusk, and he walks up to this cucumber. Normally, they don't talk in jokes. So, he walks up to the cucumber and says,
Daddy!
Nemo?
Nemo. Nemo. I don't get it. See. Woo!
Well, then I guess we start. We're gonna be walking, so we're gonna be walking back and forth, okay? So, don't mind. Alright.
Say action, and then I'll end the scene. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
No?
Action.
Now, what message do you bring?
Earth and water.
You rode all the way from Persia for earth and water?
Do not be coy or stupid, Persian. You can afford neither in Sparta.
What makes this woman think she can speak upon men?
Because only Spartan women can give birth to real men.
Let us walk to cool our tongues.
Now listen, Leonidas. If you vow your lives over a complete annihilation, Xerxes conquers and controls the army so vast it shakes the ground with its march. If you vow your life, listen. Submission.
Submission? Now, I find that funny. You see, rumor has it the Athenians have already turned you down. And if those philosophers have found that kind of guts, then
We must be diplomatic.
and of course, Spartans must have their reputations.
Leonidas, choose your next word wisely, as they might be your last scheme.
Earth and water.
Madman! You're a madman.
Earth and water. You'll find plenty of them both down there.
This is blasphemy. This is madness.
You come to my town. You insult my queen. You threaten my people with slavery and death. Oh, I've chosen my words, Persian. Perhaps you should too.
This is madness.
Madness? This is Sparta!
Action! Strangers from distant lands, friends of old, you have been summoned here to answer the threat of Mordor. Middle-earth stands upon the brink of destruction. None can escape it. We will unite or we will fall. Each race is bound to this fate, this one doom. Bring forth the rings, Frodo!
So it is true. Sauron's ring, the ring of power.
The doom of men.
It is a gift to the foes of Mordor. Why not use this ring? Long has my father, the steward of Gondor, held the forces of Mordor at bay. By the blood of our people, are your lands kept safe? Give Gondor the weapon of the endless. Let us use it against him.
We cannot want it. None of us can. The ring of answer to the Sharons has no master.
Jeremy? No. And what?
And what ranger would know of this matter?
This is no merged ranger. He is Aragon, son of Aragon. Lying. You owe him your allegiance.
Aragon? The artist here?
Hire to the throne of Gondor.
Havel there. Legolas, sit down. Legolas.
Gondor needs no key.
Aragon is right. We cannot use it.
You only have one choice. The ring must be destroyed. See? Ready and action, we're ready.
Action.
Cigar. Menthol. Cigarette. Filter. Need a light. Armoire. Freeze! Put your hand up!
But you told me to freeze.
Okay, unfreeze, but you're under arrest.
Under arrest?
Yes.
My lord.
Come on.
The agony.
Give me a hand.
I'm so young. I'm so foolish.
What will you do?
What are you gonna do?
I'm sorry, son. That's not my department. Arrest him. Search him.
Scene.
Hold on, I thought you guys had more lights than that.
Action. Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Are they waving at us?
I don't know. What are we gonna do? Just act nice.
Well, don't you don't know us. Karen, Lisa, Tori.
Oh my god!
I haven't seen you in like forever. Did you do something to your hair?
You gained weight?
No. I know. You just had a birthday.
Yeah. Totally fire sign. I knew it. Wait a minute. There's definitely something different about you two. Collagen. Yeah.
You little witch, how did you know?
Duh, it's totally obvious. Your lips went from Karen Gibson to Jay-Z's. Wait a minute. You should go taller too. Yeah. We got our knees done. You can do that. You can do that.
Yeah. It was nice seeing you, ladies. Bye.
Excuse me. Where do you think you're going?
To freshen up.
Yeah. Well, the Hampton reception just started, so let's get it.